guys, so I had a lot of questions on this card and how I did it with the pigment sprinkles, so I thought I'd do a quick video for you. I'm gonna use a different stencil for this card in the Pattern Party Decorative Masks. I use this one, but I'm gonna do this one just to have something a little bit different. And so my setup here, I have an old clipboard because this will get dirty and you want to protect your surfaces. I have everything covered. This is actually, and I don't necessarily like using a lot of plastic and a lot of waste, but I had these from when Ian was a baby. They're like medical chucks pads. So like the under, they put them under you like when you have a baby and different stuff like that. So I use these to cover like gross changing tables and if he was sick. And so I realized I had a few left, so I grabbed this the other day and it just covered my whole work surface because I have really big ones. And I'm going to use this probably until I can't use it anymore. So I feel like it's not super wasteful that way. But then I just have some washi tape and some watercolor paper, and it really helps if you adhere your paper down. And I reuse my washi tape too because it will stay sticky. And so this is a full card base, so 5.5 by 4.25, and I'm going to, when I'm done and it's all dry, I will cut some off. And then I thought I was all ready to go, and I can't find, there it is, it's hiding under the chucks pad. More washi tape, because you're going to want to put your stencil down too. And I'm trying to decide like if I want mine offset in a funky kind of way. I guess I'll just do it like this. And so then I just tape. I'm trying to get it somewhat even. And this is a great use for your retired excess washi tape. You want to make sure you have old clothes and you don't care if you get your hands stained because this is going to get messy. So I just have a spritzer, one of our spritzers. You want to hope I'm not spritzing this at the camera. I'm just going to lightly spritz. Okay. And then for this one, I kind of tried to start pink in the center and go kind of outward with my colors. This one, let's see, I might try like a rainbow kind of Roy G. Biv thing. So you unscrew the top and then you pop them open. They have 3 little holes, and the key with this stuff is, like, that was kind of a lot, and then I'm going to drop it. The key is to just use a little at a time. That's coming out kind of faster than I want. And this isn't a real super stunning technique while the mask is on, because you can't see the colors develop as well. But once we peel it away, it will be, let's see, blue and then violet, right? Blue. If I knew how to edit videos, I should edit this and like speed it up, this part. Okay, so then, and your hands will get messy just doing this, so you're gonna be careful touching anything else. I'm gonna like back up and then just spritz more and more. Okay, so then, isn't this pretty? This is from the medallion. It's kind of a piece of work of art. All I did was just put my paper towel flat on and just kind of, don't wipe. That would be a whole different look. I mean, isn't that cool? It's totally tie-dye. And then I kind of try to wipe the excess off around the edges just so I don't get my hands don't get super messy. And again, you can save your washi tape and use it over. That was bad. And so then I'm just gonna carefully peel this. And this one worked just a little bit different. And you just run this under the sink to get it clean. And that's the beauty in this, is they will always be different. This one bled and ran a little bit, but I used a lot more water, I think, on it than I did the medallion. But I love it because it always comes out differently. So I will actually let this dry, tape down. You could heat it with your heat tool if you wanted, but I will let it dry while it's taped down to keep it nice and flat, because otherwise it might warp. You see your hands are going to get just a little dirty, so make sure you wash these before you touch anything. But that is basically how I did it. It's super easy, super fun. Again, it's going to turn out different every time. And these things are just the funnest. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy my cards.